Before you begin, remove the stand, I/O ports rear cover, stand hinge, motherboard EMI shield, M.2 SSD module, wireless LAN module, system fan, thermal module, graphics card, CPU, motherboard, motherboard support bracket, and touchscreen control board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Slide the speakers off of the standoffs on the chassis and remove. Replacement. Important: ensure the 4 rubber screw grommets are properly installed before replacing the speakers. Carefully slide the speakers onto the standoffs on the chassis. Ensure the speaker cable is properly routed.